To install the front fenders on your CycleBoard, the first thing you want to do is prop up the front end of your CycleBoard so your wheel is off the ground on the side that you're going to change. We're going to start with the left side. Take your 8mm Allen wrench, loosen your wheel bolt so you can remove the front wheel. Next, take your fender, which includes a stability bracket already mounted to your fender, and 3 holes that line up with the 3 holes on your front steering pivot. You'll line these up, install your screws, tighten these down. Then we'll want to reinstall our front wheel. Want to make sure our wheel bolt is flush with the inside bearing so that we can slide it and line it up with our front pivot. And screw it back in, tighten it down with our 8mm Allen wrench. Repeat the process for the other side and you're all set.